Question is, here a semicircle is there. In that semicircle, again two A and C semicircles and one D complete circle is there. Next B, it is the diagram. Now the question is, find the area of shaded region. So to find the area of the shaded region, first ABC, this ABC, three semicircles with diameter 3 centimeters and circle D with 4.5 diameter. Now, so to find the area of the shaded region, first find out the area of three semicircles and area of circle D. First area of A semicircle. A semicircle, area of semicircle pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. So here r value, diameter A circle diameter D, then radius r is equals to d by 2, that is 3 by 2. So substitute the r value here. So that r value 3 by 2 I am taking here, 3 by 2 whole square by 2. Why I am not taking this pi value means there is no cancellation, easy cancellation terms, that's why I am taking direct pi value only. So in the numerator 9 by 4 pi by 2. So then 9 by 4 pi, then if this 2 goes to up means that will become 1 by 2. So 9 pi by 8. 9 pi by 8 is the area of this one semicircle. So such semicircles, how many are there? A, C, B. So again A is the semicircle. Semicircle area pi r square by 2. Actually circle area pi r square. So semi means half of the circle, pi r square by 2. And radius value, diameter, here to here diameter 3 means radius, half of the diameter 3 by 2. So directly I am taking here 3 by 2. If you want to take that value 1.5, then no problem, 1.5 into 1.5. So here pi r square 3 square by 4 square, 3 square value 9, 2 square value 4. So that A area 9 pi. That A area 9 pi is equals to B area and C area. So B area also 9 pi by 8 and C area also 9 pi by 8. Now area of D, area of B and area of C over. Now area of D, area of D. D is the complete circle, that pi r square. So what is the radius of D? D value for the D circle diameter is 4.5, then radius is equals to d by 2. So here d by 2 means 4.5 by 2, 4.5 by 2. So substitute them here. Yeah, if you want to make it as a 9, so then that will become 9 by 4. Then why I am converting like this means to make the calculation easy. This 4.5 by 2 equivalent fraction I am writing 9 by 4. So take that r value 9 by 5, 9 by 4 whole square, 9 by 4 whole square. Then 9 9s are 81 pi by 4 4s are 60. 9 9s are 81 pi by 60. So this is the area of D. Now another bigger semicircle is there, that diameter here to here, this bigger circle. To find the area of shaded region, first to find out the bigger circle, bigger semicircle, area of bigger semicircle. That semicircle diameter here to here 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, total 9 centimeters. Total 9 centimeters. Then radius, diameter. The bigger circle diameter is 9 and radius is equals to 9 by 2. So the bigger circle area pi r square, pi value I am not substituting here, r value 9 by 2 whole square. Then pi value, that will 91, 9 9s are 81 by 2. So the answer 81 pi by, sorry, here 2 square 4, 81 by 4 pi, 81 by 4 pi. Now final area of the shaded region, area of the region. So area of the shaded region is equals to, first that bigger semicircle is E. So the bigger semicircle is E. Area of bigger semicircle E. First area of bigger semicircle E plus complete B is shaded region. So B, E plus B. E and B. I am adding E and B. After unshaded region, to find this solution, first add E and B. After, in E and B, remove the unshaded part. What is the unshaded part? Area of D plus area of A plus area of C. These three are unshaded parts. So from the total area E plus D, total area E plus D minus unshaded area ADC. So area of E 81 pi by 4 plus area of B 9 pi by 8 minus area of DAC, D area how much we got here? D area 81 pi by 16 plus A area 9 pi by 8 plus last C area also 9 pi by 8. Now I am doing the calculation part, remaining calculation part. See here, 81 pi by 4 plus 9 pi by 8 minus into 81 pi by 16 minus into plus minus 9 pi by 8 minus into plus minus 9 pi by 8. So all of them denominators LCM 4, 8, 16 LCM is, so 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 8s are again 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 4s are again 2 1s are 2 2s are again 2 1s are. So 16 is the LCM. 16 is the LCM. Make the denominator 16. To make the denominator 16 here, so 81 into multiply 4 by 4, then 4 4 the 16 we will get. So multiply that 4 to 81. 4 into 81, 324 pi plus here already denominator 8 is there, so multiply 2 by 2, then 9 2s are 18 pi by 16. That one clear. Here already minus 81 is there, no need to minus 81 by 16 is there, denominator 16 is there, no need to multiply anything. But here minus 8, minus denominator 8 only there. So to make it is 16, multiply 2 by 2. Here also 18 by 16. Finally 324 plus 18 is 342. That is plus values. And minus values, minus 81, minus 18, minus 18. 16, 17 and 8, 10, 11. So 117. 342 plus 342 5 minus 117 pi. So finally 12 minus 7 5, 3 minus 1 2 and 2 minus 1 2. Answer is 225 pi by 16. 225 pi by 16. Here 81 4s are 324 plus 9 2s are 18. Here denominator okay, here we did the mistake. Here E area, E is the semicircle area. Here we took a complete circle, so by 2 means here we will get 81 by 8 pi, 81 by 8 pi. So here 81 by 8 pi, here also 81 by 8 Then here we will get 81 into 2, that is 162. So 162 plus 18, 180 minus 117, so 63 pi. So here answer 63 pi by 16. 63 pi by 16. Here we took area of bigger semicircle pi r square by 2, that is 81 pi by 8. So our final answer 63 pi. That 63 pi is the area of this shaded region. So if you have any doubts in such problems, so just mention the doubt in the comment section. So we will explain in the